Okay, you got a flat tire. Make sure you're on the side of the road somewhere safe. You want all four tires, if possible, contacting hard pavement, or the side that you won't be working on can be in the grass, but make sure it's not wet and soggy, and you're going to end up putting the vehicle deeper into the mud. So make sure the ground is dry on the side that you're not working on, and make sure you're on hard pavement on the side you will be working on with the flat tire. First thing you do is put down an emergency brake with your foot right there. Kick that all the way down. Then you go and get your tools. Tool number one is behind the passenger seat in the back seat. Pop that right there. See that handle there? This is a two-handed job. There you go. You got the seat down right there. Doesn't matter which one you grab. They connect together, but just grab the top one. That's all you need. Pop it out. Come around. You see that edge? It's got that little hook on it. You're gonna come around to the back after you lift the gate up, and you're gonna see this little hole right there at the center of your lift gate. Put this in there, and you're gonna fiddle with it and push on it until it locks into place, and you can't push it anymore. There, that cord's in, that rod's in there. You go to the left side, or the driver's side back here. Turn this upright, turn that upright. Lift this open. Here's your tire iron. Pop it out like so. And your jack is right here in the corner. You want to turn that red knob to the lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So left quite a bit. Turning it to the left. That's letting it down because it's held in here by pressure, so it doesn't wiggle around when you're driving. You turn it to the right when you put it back, so it's going to create pressure up against here, this top plate. So again, it doesn't wiggle around when you're driving. So you turn it left, let it down, pull it out. This is your jack. Gonna put that to the side for now. You want to get your spare tire out, so you're going to put this hole right there on the end of that. Just slides on there and turn it to the left. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Left lets it down and right pulls it up. So you're going to turn it to the left, and you're going to pull your spare tire down until it's about 5 or 6 inches off the ground. And once you have it down, this center piece right here is on the cord, a cable that you're loosening up when you turn that rod to the left. When you got it 5 or 6 inches off the ground, you're going to need 2 hands. One strong arm to hold the tire up, and then this bracket will flip 90 degrees where it's vertical. Right now it's horizontal. You're going to want it vertical. And once it's vertical, it'll slide right in this hole, right in the center of the tire. And then you got it off. And then you want to make sure that it's not hanging, this is left hanging close to the ground where it can catch something. So you roll it back up a little bit. You pull your spare tire out, and you grab this tire iron, the tire iron. You come over here. Depending on which one it is you're going to be working on. Let's say it's working on this one. See that little notch right there? You put that end in there, and you pop that off. like so. And you're gonna be using this, but not, you can go ahead and crack it loose, crack each one of these loose, but do not take them out. Leave the bolts on until you jack the car up, but make sure these nuts are loose before you jack the car up. Okay, then put that down, grab your jack. If you're working on the rear tire, you're gonna want to, I gotta get down here, put it under here. This is the attachment for your leaf springs in the back. Most trucks and pickup trucks have what's called leaf springs in the rear. That's irrelevant, just extra knowledge. You're gonna put this part right under there, like so. This has got to be facing you, and right there. Jack that up for your rear side. For your front, you're gonna want to come over here and put it under there, the black part, and jack that up for your front. Hey, didn't know you were there. I'm making a quick video. Take this, and you put that inside of here, and you jam it in there good, and you turn and turn and turn until you get it off the ground. Once you got the wheels off the ground, then you continue letting the bolts loose, the nuts loose, and then the wheel will come off. Then you put the new wheel on, the spare tire on, you start tightening it up, you drop the car back down, and tighten those bolts tight as you can. Not too tight though. You don't want to, you can put your weight on it, but don't stump on it, because you can strip it. And then you put that back down, put the jack back down, put the jack back in its place, put everything back together, and get down the road. Now make sure when you're doing all this, you do not turn your back to the traffic. Always make sure you're facing traffic. All right, love you, and be safe.